Open.
Enjoy. Don't spoil your face.
Do you like it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But you will eat fish, Abby? Hmm?
I didn't want that.
It's not bad.
But your face does not say that it is not bad.
Hello guys, my name is Remy. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today I am so excited to be trying Abacha for the very first time. I have seen this dish being eaten around me, being sold around me, but I have never tried it. Although I am familiar with some of the ingredients, but I have not eaten the Abacha itself. So today I put it together myself for the very first time, and I will be showing you the recipe. I use Zeelicious food recipe. The recipe is on our channel. I took the recipe, followed it, made a few changes to suit me. So some 5 years ago, my husband took me out to one bar close to my house to have nkwobi for the very first time. I made up my mind I was going to have nkwobi when I get there. I had not had it before, and I heard stories about nkwobi being this and being that. So I said, okay, today bring nkwobi, let me try it. I enjoyed the nkwobi, but I got home and I landed at the White House. My tummy was I cannot describe it. So that night it was almost as if I slept at the White House till the next morning, and somehow after speaking to a few people around, I discovered that my tummy was reacting to the potash, which is used to prepare the sauce for the nkwobi. So I researched on ways, on things I can use to substitute the potash, and I found something that's been working for me, because ever since then I have been making nkwobi at home and I've been enjoying it. I'm going to take you through the recipe quickly. It is a very quick recipe, it doesn't take time at all, and I am going to be eating my abacha very soon. To make abacha, I'll soak the dried cassava in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes to soften. I'm using 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. I'll pour that in a pan without setting it on heat, and I'll use this baking soda to replace the potash. I'll dissolve this in a little amount of water. It gives me the same result as potash, and this is what I have been using. This doesn't give me any tummy issues, and since I discovered it, I have stuck with it. So I will add this to the palm oil and mix everything together, and slowly it will turn into a bright orange color. Everything is looking well incorporated now. If you notice, you see that the sauce looks a little bit thin, so I added just a bit of palm oil to it. And this is my upaka or ugba. This I bought for 100 naira, and in that goes into the sauce. I have here sliced onions and chopped rodo, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and I will add those into it. I also used half a cube of seasoning stock cube and 1 tablespoon of blended crayfish. I added some salt and mix all that together, and I will also add the soaked abacha, that's the cassava which I soaked earlier, and in that goes. When I bought it, it was dry, so it comes in the dry form, and then I poured hot water on it for like 3 minutes to soften. All this while I didn't turn on the stove, because according to the recipe I'm following, heat will thin out the sauce. So after I was done, I turned off the heat, I put it to very low, and then allow it to heat up the abacha for just a very few minutes, and abacha is done. And then I'll try to plate it up nicely. I can't wait to give this a taste. My children will also be trying it. My sister will be trying it too. I cannot wait. So I thought to show you up close the nice abacha I made. this is looking so good. I hope that the taste will be nice when I try it. In the recipe I followed, she added some dried fish in the abacha itself, but I don't have that. So the recipe also uses ugba, that is garden egg, but that is not in season now. I could not get, and she also did say that it is optional. So I think my abacha is good to go like this. So let's eat. Feels like I'm eating noodles. I like how crunchy the ugba is. I was expecting the abacha too to be crunchy, but not as much as the ugba. I don't know, and I did not soak it for too long. I soaked this for like 5 minutes. So, and I like how the Utazi complements the taste of the ugba, especially. I'm going to add some more Utazi. I like it a lot. If you ask me, it doesn't taste so strange to me because already I've been eating nkobi. I like nkobi a lot. In fact, I'm going to make some tomorrow or later today. I don't know if I should make a video of that one, but I'm not sure I'm getting ready to make any more video after this one. So maybe another day for nkobi. But this is really nice. It's not so strange to me. Like I said earlier, I'm already used to ukpaka. I use it for nkobi. I add it to my okra soup sometimes. I just love the taste. The way I love this ugba, so I'm calling my sister to come and try it. Her taste bud is not so adventurous, so she says no. She keeps telling me later she'll try it, but I know that she's not going to eat it. Let me eat small fish. This is panla. Panla egun. Some people call it panla alomoko. This fish is very popular and it's very nice. It's a lifesaver.
I'm really stopping it too.
Huh?
Really stopping it.
Okay, thanks, my darling.
Hey, I'm using this thing to clean your ear.
I hear Utazi is very good for the tummy. I don't know. Please, if you know, tell us in the comments. But I love the taste. And abacha I hear is made from cassava. It does taste like it. It smells like it. I could perceive the smell when I poured hot water on it to soften. Open.
Enjoy. Don't spoil your face.
Do you like it?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure?
I don't want to try that.
Why? You have not even tried it.
You should. It is young. Person can testify to that.
It's not young.
How do you know? You have not tasted it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Don't even spit it out. Swallow.
Delicious.
But you will eat fish, have you? Mm?
Delicious. Go and try it.
You like it?
Go and try
You
it.
do?
Thumbs up.
Try.
No, later.
But you said you tried it after I tried.
Mm.
What about you thumbs up?
Can you stop the camera? Can you see Auntie Shehu? Sit down, sit down.
No,
sit
you
down,
don't need
sit down.
No,
sit
don't
down.
show. No, I don't want to show.
I didn't want that.
It's not bad.
But your face does not say that it is not bad.
Go for
Ah, this is delicacy that people enjoy.
it. Did you swallow it?
Hey.
Yeah,
Oh.
So if you ask me overall, I think it's not bad. I already said that I'm used to the taste. Only the abacha is a new thing there. So will I try it again? Absolutely yes, because of some of the ingredients that I like there. The ugba, the utazi, the raw onions, you know. The next time I'll be trying this, I would like to add some dry fish or maybe stockfish, and of course garden egg when it is in season. But I did enjoy it, and I will be making this once in a while. I love to try new delicacies, new foods from other places aside where I come from. So you can follow my recipe to try your own. You can do just a bit. I didn't have to spend so much. I spent less than 1,000 naira making this, you know. So you can try and make it in bits. Give yourself time. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you will try this recipe, and I do hope that if you like it, you're going to give me a thumbs up before you leave. Sometimes you watch, you like just in your mind, but you forget to give a thumbs up. So please don't forget today to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would like to have you join us. I have so many amazing recipes on my channel. Thank you again. I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.